I have a question for you.
Yes.
You've been with Color Positive in the previous event and this one.
Yes.
How do you feel? What do you see or feel in the energy, the vibe here?
Yeah, the energy is very good. The positive energy. Everybody is very cooperative, and you can see their teamwork. Fantastic. You should do more shows, such shows.
Okay. Now I don't want you all to sit separately. I want you to come there.
Yes.
And I want to ask Ganga a certain set of questions now when she's standing with them. So please come along. Jaldi. So guys, overall we were how many people? Close to 18 people today. Yes. Right? We all started at 11 in the morning. We reached the venue on time. And then we also went ahead and got ready. We were like immediately there the moment they said, okay, abhi jana hai niche, we have to perform. So the moment I said niche jana hai, I wish I had a camera crew behind us jo na hamara pagalpan record karte. How we were running to the lift, how we were waiting for the lift, going down. And what was the feeling at that time? What were you feeling? Are we going to perform? ऐसा लग रहा था? ये लग रहा था कि अब मेरे साथ क्या होगा? God knows क्या reaction होगा? So you never felt like that before, right?
No.
पहले community के लिए event करते थे वैसा लगता था?
No.
क्या लगता था आप जाएंगे stage पे हम तो तोड़ देंगे इतना confidence होता था है ना? Confidence ऐसा होता था but यहाँ पर आके तुम लोगों को डर सा लग गया थोड़ा बहुत a bit yeah, so you all were a bit insecure about how it's going to happen. And then when you all performed, starting में of course लोग देख नहीं रहे थे because it's a workspace and people were doing their thing and उनको पता नहीं ये flash mob है ये क्या हो रहा है. And then suddenly चालू हुआ and then suddenly you saw so many cameras coming, saw people clapping in between ये वो. So how did you feel?
How did we feel? First of all, एक डर था because जो excitement में हम लोग चले, जो excitement में नीचे गए थे, the moment we started and the song stopped. हो गया हम like what? तो वो डर है. Now like me and Kalash were like blank standing there. What to do? I'm just like wait, let me start.
And I was just like statue and I was staring at Gaurav. What he will do? Is he going? What is it? And suddenly Gaurav turned. And I thought, okay, it will start from here.
So they were very kind of to start all over again and giving us a complete, like our piece to be done completely, right? So I've had an awesome experience working with these people, communicating. हम लोगों ने एक हफ्ते में ये किया है. So a huge round of applause to you guys because हमने changes भी लाए, right? हमने changes भी लाया जो piece किया था कशिश के लिए. We brought that again and हम लोगों ने changes लाकर भी we performed so well. I must say that we actually had no mess ups at all on stage. So yeah, having said that is a big deal. And then of course you saw people coming saying हमको तुम्हारे साथ photo लेना है, can I talk to you and all of that stuff. So you see the positivity and the welcomeness, right?
Yeah.
So do we understand one thing कि डर जो है हमारे दिमाग में ही होता है?
Actually, that's
It's not really, it's not it's not even in the other person कि वो हमको डराना चाहते हैं. ज़्यादातर हमारे दिल में डर होता है इसलिए हमको सामने वाले को देख के डर लगता है एंड देन वो सामने वाले को लगता है अच्छा चलो लेट्स टेक हिज केस. कोई लोग ऐसे होते हैं उसके वजह से हम लोगों को गलत इंप्रेशन आ जाती है कि सब लोग ऐसे हैं, राइट? बट टेक्निकली डिड यू ऑल फील दैट एट ऑल हियर?
Not at all.
Everyone, whoever walked in was like, oh hi, are you guys ready? Oh, let's do this, I'm so excited. Everybody, even when we were down, not just girls, and it's a very big deal. Yeah, the big deal is, ज़्यादातर जब भी हम लोग ऐसे communities में जाते हैं, men stand 2 steps behind. They don't talk much. Yeah, they don't see much about what's happening. But did you all see here it was different? So these are all our impressions, don't you think? हमको लगता है कि यहाँ लड़के हैं तो ये लोगों को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. फॉरगेट इंटरेस्ट, हमको लगता है कि वो हमको बुरा बोलेंगे या हमारी तरफ गलत नज़रों से देखेंगे कि हम ये क्या है. But did we actually feel that today?
not at all.
So all this basically is our own misconception of the straight world. और ये हमारा जो डर है वो हम लोगों ने निकाल देना चाहिए. So this is exactly why I am very happy that we've done this. I know मैं ही बातें करे जा रहा हूँ but तुम लोग हेयर्स के अलावा कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे हो. So
I've come to see something that's just like you say that street world. Personally, this is my personal thought. I never think like there is any LGBT world or a street world. I think God has created all of us, and we all are God's creation. So there is no discrimination of LGBT world or a street world. I think we are world. So
Yes.
we need to stand for each other. So
That's
that is
exactly the barrier we want to let go of. If you all have ever gone to our Color Positive Instagram page, we say that. We want to include the straight in the LGBT.
Exactly.
And when we say include, we mean कि अगर तुम्हारे पास कुछ misunderstandings हो, we want that out of your
Exactly.
your mind, and we want you to feel like we are all together. Right? So serious conversation is over. Now we're going to ask Ganga some questions. Do you all have any questions for her? तुम लोगों के पास कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है?
वो मेरे प्रोडक्शन को जाके पूछो जिन्होंने मेरे को बनाया.
Oh, अच्छा.
खूबसूरत cute.
Okay, so no questions for Ganga? How mean, everyone asks.
We love Ganga.
Okay, we love Ganga. हम दोनों एक दूसरे को बहुत अच्छी तरह से झेलते हैं.
Answer the question. When you talk about brothers and sisters, brother and sister always has a love and hate relation. I mean, same relation with I and Savi.
We are at 80% hate and 20% love, but we work like that.
It's okay. Actually, it is opposite. Savio, you don't know that, but it's opposite.
Oh, अच्छा, बड़ी फिल्मी
Just when
डायलॉग.
you're working, that time only you guys fight. Otherwise, you're very lovey-dovey.
No.
As brother.
Okay, I have very quick questions for everyone. I'm going to go very fast. Okay, so Ganga, you've been with Color Positive 3 years.
Yes.
As you said, ये पहला टाइम था तुम स्ट्रेट लोगों के क्राउड में आके तुम लोगों ने पहली बार परफॉर्मेंस दिया.
No, for me it was second time. First it was in Delhi when we had straight crowd also in the garden.
Yes, right, which was in Delhi for the India HIV/AIDS Alliance. Yeah. So this is your second experience,
Yes.
but this was more personal,
more
very
personal,
close.
right.
So how did you feel?
It was amazing. That's what I told you. It was really, really amazing. The response from the people, the response from the girls. In fact, they were like so thrilled looking out, like to everybody. I mean, the way we were dressed and everything. So it was really very good.
So you enjoyed this.
I did, of
You
course.
felt like हम लोगों ने literally एक बड़ा सा पड़ाव पार किया है.
Yeah. One thing in our kitty that we had did something. जो हमारा motto था as Color Positive to break it. So we did it more to come.
Okay. Now Naresh. Do I call you Naresh or Ashwin? I'm so confused.
तुम्हें जो अच्छा लगे.
Acha. So you've been with Color Positive since quite a long time. You've performed in so many of our shows. Most of the shows were for the LGBT community. This time you also did this for the straight community. So your feelings? You are also working for an NGO.
Yes.
Right? So you already meet a lot of people and you go through a lot of this, circumstance where people are not welcoming. So today how was your feeling?
ज़रूर. जब मैं अपने जॉब पे होता हूँ और वहाँ पे फील्ड लेवल पे जाके काम करता हूँ तो मैं कुछ लोगों की ऐसे बातें सुनता हूँ जो गे और ट्रांसजेंडर के बारे में बहुत गलत सोचते हैं. बट मुझे आज यहाँ पे परफॉर्म करके लगता है कि सभी लोग वैसे नहीं होते. कुछ लोग हमारे बारे में अच्छा भी सोचते हैं और हमें सपोर्ट भी करते हैं. तो ये अच्छा जीता जागता उदाहरण मेरे सामने आज के ये शो में था. सो थैंक यू सो मच कलर पॉजिटिव एंड सैवियो.
You're welcome. Okay, so Kalansh, you have been with Color Positive a few, like close to a year.
Yes.
Right? Sex Objects was a huge step for you. You conquered yourself in a way, trying to do the things which you never did. I see you, taking up roles and challenges that we throw at you very, very comfortably, and there's always a yes. How do you actually take it? How does it go? What goes in your head when you're actually thinking and, trying to do all this?
So, to me, this is a performance space, right? Like, I perform at other places, I perform here. A lot of places, even if I'm not openly gay or even if I'm not identified as a gay person, I am not easily accepted because audiences are not kind. But with Color Positive, my experience so far has been that everyone's just kind. And that's what we need to be, and I think that's what I want to say.
Thank you. Now we have another gentleman who is like conquering a lot of things. We have him in MGWI, that's Mr. Gay World India. You're the first runner up there. And then I hear that you have a lot of other things in the pipeline where you're going to be, setting like yourself out there for people to know you. How do you feel doing all of that on one side and then working with Color Positive?
I actually really didn't accept that kind of acceptance from people, you know, like it was unacceptable. So I was to be very frank, I was very scared when I went to Mr. Gay India, because earlier I was like, you know, open only to my friends and like, you know, to my mom and sister. After that I'm open to the whole world. I didn't know how they are going to respond, but I thought, okay, you know, I should take the risk. So what happened, like after that, like, you know, all my hometown friend also accepted me, which I never expected. And then after that in college or in office also. So when I owned Mr. Gay India, like, you know, Mr. Singhania, who is like, you know, my boss, like the owner of Raymond Company, he said in front of 1,000 people that he is very proud of me, and he called me on stage and, you know, gave me a prize. So it was very proud moment. I in my office I was never open because I was very scared. But when he said that he is proud of me, nobody has, you know, right to say that they cannot accept me. Still there are some people who don't, but the percentage is very less. Mostly people are very positive. So I think
I have one question. You worked for Color Positive's fashion show last year.
Yeah.
That was not your first, right?
No. I have been working ramp since I think I was 18, 10 years now. I have been working.
And were there any LGBT ramp walks you did?
No, but Color Positive was the first LGBT ramp I worked.
So we've helped you in a way to
like, you know, that
pass that fear.
Yeah, like definitely it gave me a lot of confidence. Before that I was not like, I used to work like, you know, as a straight person in the ramp, or did shoot as a straight person trying to be somebody. But in Color Positive I felt like, you know, I can be myself and still be appreciated. That is the very, like, the confidence. I must say that I went to Mr. Gay India and gave me a lot of, like, you know, grooming and confidence in me because of Color Positive itself. And a lot of love to you. You are always like, you shout at us, I know, but I know that in from heart you love all of us. I know that.
Thank you.
So
Thank
you
you.
didn't mind at all.
Thank you. Now, आपके पास तो मतलब आप कितने रैंप वॉक्स चले हैं?
Sorry, no counts.
नो काउंट्स. अच्छा, तो हमारे साथ आते हैं आपका कॉन्फिडेंस ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में बदलता है या फिर
कलर पॉजिटिव के साथ काम करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बिकॉज ऑफ यहाँ के जो मेंबर्स एंड ओनर से सो नाइस गाय. बात किया जाए तो सैवियर सर बहुत रूड है, बट एंड ऑफ द डे बहुत प्यारे है. आई लव दैट.
रूड होना पड़ता है ना, लोग मानते नहीं है
तो कलर पॉजिटिव इज वेरी.
अच्छा, मैं हट रहा हूँ तुमसे, तुम गलत बातें कर. So Neer, you worked with us before. You worked with Richard, who is Richie Revealed, and you all did a show together for us. And then you worked for Kashish with us, and now this, right? Yes. How do you feel eventually?
Being a professional model, come an assistant choreographer in the ramp shows, basically from Calcutta, and now coming to Mumbai. To be very frank, I am a Calcutta guy, and I was never open outside that what I'm doing or what not. But after coming to Mumbai, I started feeling ki why not? We are human beings. So of course, coming to the point, working with Color Positive and for the LGBT community with Color Positive for dance shows or the ramp shows, it was a wonderful experience, and I'm looking forward for more and more with Color Positive. And yes, Savio, you are the dangerous guy. Of course, at times feel but I love you, because if you are not like that, I feel you are the teacher of the Color Positive. So carry on, all the best. I'm always with you, Color Positive.
यहाँ से हट जाओ क्या मैं? Can I go to someone else? So someone who's made like really big recently, going on to the newspapers, then walking ramps, very famous belly dancing, venomous belly, Instagram account holder. So many good things about you. कुछ गलत भी बोलूँ? नहीं ना. So how do you feel being a part of Color Positive? तुमने हमारा रैंप चले हो, and you are now the winner of Color Positive Mr. Queen 2019. तो इतनी सारी चीजें, how do you manage?
मैनेज करना पड़ता है. ऑफ कोर्स डायरेक्टर ऐसा होगा तो
मैनेज करना पड़ता है या मैनेज करवाना पड़ता है तुमसे?
करवाना पड़ता है एक्चुअली. एंड मज़ा आ रहा है. पहले लाइक जब जिनके साथ में रहता था वो बोलते थे कि आई डोंट थिंक तो कि तू कर पाएगा.
मैंने ऐसा कभी बोला?
नहीं, तुमने नहीं बोला, बट जिनके साथ में रहता था उनको ऐसा लगता था कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. लेकिन जब मैंने शुरू किया गौरव में मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया, वहाँ से मुझे लोगों ने बोला था कि अरे क्या चलेगा। देन जब मैंने वॉक किया तब उनको पता चला कि मलिका क्या है।
ओह अच्छा, तो इसके वजह से ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस तो नहीं आ गया ना?
ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं, सीखने मिल रहा है बहुत कुछ एंड मैं चाहूँगा कि और मुझे मौका मिले एंड और भी मुझे सीखने का मौका मिले। एंड टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के साथ मैंने काम किया है, उन्होंने मेरी स्टोरी छापी है वो वॉशरूम वाली, कि जो मैं लेडीज़ वॉशरूम यूज़ करता हूँ। एंड थैंक यू सो मच जिनके साथ मैं काम कर रहा था ऑफिस में, कि जिन्होंने मुझे वोट एज अ वोट के थ्रू मुझे परमिशन दिलाया कि वहाँ पर मुझे लेडीज़ वॉशरूम यूज़ करना चाहिए एंड मैं आज भी वो यूज़ कर रहा हूँ।
So you feel comfortable doing something, and it's a big step for your community as well as for yourself, so that people give you the freedom of doing what you think is right for yourself. Yes. A lot of transgender people also don't get this special benefit which you have received.
But वहाँ के कुछ लोगों ने मुझे मौका दिया, वैसे तो नहीं दे रहे थे, लेकिन कुछ फ्रेंड्स थे जो कि मुझे समझना चाह रहे थे कि चाह चुके थे,
okay.
तो उन्होंने मुझे मौका दे दिया। मैं लाइक Malika is Malika.
Okay, so Gaurav.
Yes, Savio.
Are you Gaurav CBO or Gaurav?
CBO. What is that? No, I'm just Gaurav.
Okay, you're Gaurav. So you are with Color Positive for the second event.
Yes.
And how do you feel? Like, you know, I'm sure you must be getting a lot of people hitting on you, talking very sweetly to you.
Yeah.
So how does it feel?
It feels amazing. Anyways, recognize होना बहुत अच्छा feel होता है, किसको नहीं होता. And working with Color Positive, मैं खुद को और अच्छे से accept कर पा रहा हूँ after working with such great people, such great talent.
So you were not so open about yourself?
No, I was not. And जब हमारा हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स में बड़ा photo आया, my coach sent me my photo. He is like Olympic judge, and he sent me the photo that see morning में सबसे पहला message आया उनका, see you are on page, I'm proud of you and all. I was very happy.
So you feel
getting that acceptance is really nice.
All that barrier, all that thinking in your head, it all goes away.
Yeah.
You know, slowly and slowly you feel more confident for being who you are.
Yes. Actually.
Right, and it makes you feel good.
It makes me feel good.
Yeah, exactly.
Like I'm the best.
Yes. Now moving on to the new look. क्या कहाँ फूक रहे हो तुम? अच्छा, anyway, how do you feel every time you do something? It's something एकदम मसाला लगा के. So this time रसगुल्ला घुमाई के, exactly. So sex objects से तो आप मतलब एक तारा से सितारा बन रही हैं. How do you feel?
क्योंकि ये सब अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे कलर पॉजिटिव ने दी.
ओह अच्छा, तुम लोग ना सच्ची में ये टेप बदल देना चाहिए. देखो यहाँ लोग पागल हुए जा रहे हैं, ऐसे बातें हो रही.
Obviously बहुत खुश हूँ, हैप्पी हूँ, एक्साइटेड ऑलवेज हूँ, क्योंकि कभी स्कूल कॉलेजेस में कभी मैंने स्टेज शो वगैरह कुछ किया नहीं, कभी स्पोर्ट्स में कभी इतना ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड नहीं. लेकिन जब लाइक गंगा तो पहले से फ्रेंड है एंड अभी तो कम्युनिटी के ब्रदर सिस्टर्स हैं हम लोग. देन आफ्टर कलर पॉजिटिव, सावी वाज गिवन एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, सेक्स ऑब्जेक्ट, पंक का एक स्मॉल इवेंट वी आर डन, एंड नाउ सीधा कशिश के बाद कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड.
So you enjoy working with Color Positive?
Okay, so जैसे ऐसे स्टेप्स जा रहा है, सेक्स ऑब्जेक्ट, then after we done into punk, then after Kashish Film Festival, and now like corporate world we already done with the show.
So you are really feeling good?
Yes.
Enjoying working with us? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. और हमारे विनर्स जो हैं पैजेंट के, है ना, आप बीइंग फ्रॉम द ट्रांसजेंडर कम्युनिटी, वॉकिंग फॉर अ ट्रांसजेंडर पैजेंट विद अस विच इज़ मैक्स क्वीन, और उसमें विन भी करना, या वट एवर लेवल, फर्स्ट लेवल, सेकेंड लेवल, जो भी है, बट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट, देन वहाँ से हर बार हमें हाँ कहना जब हम बोलते हैं कि हमको कुछ इवेंट करना है. आप ऐसा करते हैं बिकॉज यू फील कि आपकी कोई मतलब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, या आपको ये करना पसंद है इसलिए हाँ बोलते हैं?
मुझे अपना फ्यूचर में आगे जाना है, और ट्रांसजेंडर होने के बावजूद भी मुझे लोगों को दिखाना है कि हम लोग भी कुछ बन सकते हैं. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ट्रांसजेंडर सिर्फ सिग्नल मांगेंगे या तो फिर गलत काम करेंगे, यही नाम है उन लोग का. अगर मैं ट्रांस वुमैन हूँ, ट्रांसजेंडर हूँ, तो मैं भी एक मॉडल बन के लोगों के सामने पेश आ सकती हूँ. तो मैं बस यही दिखाना चाहती हूँ लोगों को कि मैं एक ट्रांसजेंडर होने के बावजूद भी जब मैं आज इस स्टेज पे हूँ, तो क्यों नहीं हम और भी ट्रांसजेंडर्स हो और भी लोग हो, हम उनकी भी सोच यही होना चाहिए। तो मैं थैंक यू सो मच बोलना चाहूँगी कलर पॉजिटिव एंड साबियो का।
Thank you. So Eric,
yes,
moving on to you,
yes,
your second gig,
it is,
and I hope it's welcoming.
Absolutely.
And you've had like a roller coaster because you work with Terence Lewis and team.
Yes.
Today you all did a gig which involves Terence Lewis's team's choreography and then Jafar Ali Munshi's choreography for the fashion bit. So how did you feel eventually doing this again?
Well, this time there was a little change because I was not doing the dance and it was actually the fashion show. And the fact that it was so last minute, I had to like really pick up. But it was not big of a task because we all were like helping each other out, and I think the communication, the coordination was so good. That's all that matters. So apparently it was fun. I had a great time, and thank you Color Positive and Savi especially for letting me do this once again.
So thank you so much, Eric. And then moving on to Suhani. What do you have to say?
I only have to say thank you, Savio, okay, to give us the opportunity to be a part of your Color Positive team. And yeah, that's it. Thank you would be way less. A word would be too less for you to, for us to express something what you have done for us to be a part of Color Positive team. So yeah, that's it. So.